Buildxact is built for contractors who want to manage everything, from takeoffs and complex estimates to procurement, all in one place. But for a lot of crews, that means heavy administrative overhead and a steep learning curve. If your office is buried in spreadsheets but your field crew is completely left out of the loop because the software is too complicated, you're only solving half the problem. That's where TaskTag comes in. We didn't build estimating software, we built a communication hub for the field. TaskTag organizes your entire project through a simple chat-based system. Your crew takes a progress photo, adds a hashtag, and it's instantly filed by project and task. Plus, you get built-in GPS time tracking and seamless calendar sync without the high per-user pricing. If you want a tool your crew will actually use without paying for bloated features, you need TaskTag. Go to tasktag.com and start your free trial today.